for who is the best in the basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys from the basketball game, I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? Okay, so birds ready, trainers ready, get set, go! Now here comes both birds to the table. The first ball for both birds. Now here comes our second ball. Second for Azul. Second for both blue. And the last ball, who's gonna win? Blue is this game. So that's all for our birds of prey in our home. Now it's sad to see animals are struggling their life due to pollution and improper waste management. So let's help keeps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. Now let's come together and say what the greatest creation of God and gift of Mother Nature. Now see it blue, so this bird can be easily distinguished through well-defined spots over its body, bigger and a stronger body. That's why they tend to prey on larger animals such as rodents, other birds, and reptiles. Okay guys, ready the camera. Here comes Freddy flying at the rocks. Okay, so there you go. Magnificent ride. How about sound flying ability and keen vision? So around the world, there are 446 kinds of raptors. Then here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two different kinds. We have the Brahmini kind and the Philippine Cervine Kingdom. Okay, so there you go. Brahmini kind are scientifically known as Aliastor indus. They are locally known as Salawin or Banong in the Visayas region. So these birds can be found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as redback sea eagles. So did you guys know that this bird indulges energy? Okay, so there you go for Brahmini kind. Okay, so our equation is 11 plus 5. Trainer Andre, do you think Snow can answer the equation? Okay, Snow, please solve the equation first. And she picked the first number 1. So guys, did she pick the first number correct? Yes. Good start, Snow. Now off to the second number. Okay, there you go. Number 6, 11 plus 5 is equal still 16. How about round of applause or left with the wizards? So guys, Goldie help us sidekick find a hidden object for us, please. Where could it be? We'll be searching, scanning the shop using our sidekick power. And there you go, she found it. How about the round of applause for psychic bird Goldie? So once again, guys, we'll get up close and personal with these lovely creatures. Okay, so first off, what we hear is Tweety. So Tweety is a silver-crested cockatoo, or its scientific name is star-crest, and the yellowish color of their underside wing and tail feathers. So that's all for Tweety, or silver-crested cockatoo. Okay, next up with Chiricapa, well, there is Nigel. So Nigel is a Lumrola cockatoo, or known as white cockatoo, or great white-crested cockatoo. So this bird can be easily distinguished through the other cockatoo by their woolly white crest that raises like an umbrella. So guys, if you're gonna compare Tweety to Nigel, you can clearly see the difference of the two. So Tweety has a yellow sulfur crest. Snow is a Moluccan cockatoo, or its scientific name is cockatoo. Guys, in general, cockatoo flex or expose their crest feather as indication of their mood. So whether they're excited, happy, threatened, or during mating. So that purpose ang ilang crest feather kailangan expose guys. So those are factors affecting by raising their crest feather. Those are example guys. And also ang pinaka-main reason na gamit niya is for communication. So muna yung main reason niya para maka-communicate siya with other species Queenie, our silver-crested cockatoo, and Nigel, our brown cockatoo, can like live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo, can live up to 70 years of age. So that's all for three kinds of cockatoos that we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have Snow, Queenie, and Nigel. He's landed once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting all shape right back to its correct size. Okay, so take note guys that the shape box puzzle is a learned behavior, so it's not possible with the man's intelligence, memory, and perception. And also they use this skill in the wild to find food and find shelter. These birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. Okay, there you go, intelligent. Right, what are the round of applause for Green Macaw Bandit. Okay guys, so that is Bandit, this is Red, and the other one is Goldie. Is Bandit. So Bandit is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Its wing and tail feathers are blue and green. This macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. They are the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. That's why they're called the gentle giants of the parrot family. Their scientific name is Arachlorhynchus. Say hi to everyone, bandits. Hi. Okay. How on their side? Hello. Okay, so inanakabibo si bandit guys, no? Inanapunta ka sadya na rin sa Cebu Ocean Park. So next up above there with Junior Kappa is Goldie. So Goldie is our blue and gold macaw. Well, blue and gold macaw is a beautiful shade of blue in their back and a solid shade of yellow in their belly and inner wings. Its eyes and beak are sourced to be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Their scientific name is arjona. Okay, now lastly with me here is our Eclectus parrot red. So Eclectus parrot is very unusual in the parrot family. It's because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning that these striking differences sa kanilang traits is specific lang sa Eclectus parrot. So it's not applicable to the macaws. So kanina bird dahil na may lahan, kung makita mo red ani, it means a female, kung kulot green ani, it means a male. So meanwhile, macaws, bandit, and Goldie, we need to extract blood from them, and we perform or they undergo a DNA sexing to find out if it's a male or a female. So that's how we distinguish the gender of our macaws. So guys, by the way, Eclectus parrot's scientific name is Eclectus ruralus, and they will likely live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, macaws, bandit, and Goldie can likely live up to 60 to 70 years of age. So guys, ini makasana all good mo, ibalik ko na po ha. Once again, parrots are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime. Not all parrot. And also these birds are very social. They love to fly in flocks and in captivity. They get imprinted with their handsome and beautiful trainers. So that's all for three kinds of parrots that we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our green-winged macaw bandit, our Eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw Goldie. What's your name, sir? Sam. How about a round of applause for our volunteer, Mr. Sam? Okay, sir, move or swing your arm. Okay. Now, do you have any idea what crocodile? Joke lang. And here comes our honeybird blue. Our honeybird blue can detect if the money is fake or not. So blue shall be. Now blue flies over, gets the money bill. Blue flies back into the table, and I guess